All right, so took a loss today, as you guys can see. Entered here, entered on this candle, the open, came up, hit a loss, it's all good. So how was I playing this trade? So what I was looking for were a couple things. One, I needed some form. I'm looking bullish. Why? Because price action on the hour chart is telling me that we're bullish. Right. This is actually gonna be funny. We'll see where this ends by the end of the recording. But we see that the price came up, pushed lower, pushed higher again. So I'm looking for that pullback. I'm really from that pullback. What I'm looking for is some form of damn. That would be break even there. Oh my god. Anyways, looking for that pullback. Um, taking some form of liquidity before we go higher. So if we're looking at price action right now, where's open? 930 is 930, right? So we've got 930 here. Price pushes up again. I'm like, yo, in this leg, there's no way I can look for shorts. That doesn't make any sense. Push higher. Okay, cool. We come back, respecting this FEG. We push higher again. So I'm like, okay, cool. So now that we've pushed higher twice, what is it that, price should be telling me? What is it that I should be looking for? Well, if it is I want to go higher from here, and I need to take my inverse entry, what do I need to happen? I need some form of liquidity to be taken. That's essentially what it is. So we have this first area here. Boom, we got that taken. Yes, we did close above this particular inverse, but when we have back-to-back inverses like this, and we have such small, what would you call this? Small, mm, small gaps. I just take the whole thing. And clearly, we didn't close above that, just to be safe. So price came in, respected, pushed lower. Now, in pushing lower, we obviously swept this low. Right? That pushed us lower. So my thought process was, okay, if it is we want to go lower, sorry, if it is we want to go higher, ultimately because of each one's telling me we want to go higher. If it is we want to go higher, and um, where would we go higher from? That's one. So first area is on inverse FEG. If price wanted to continue lower, it would respect this inverse, which is also connected to this technically what would be a not an order block, but a propulsion block. And we should roll over. So clearly that wasn't the case. So I was like, okay, cool. We broke the inverse FPG. We closed above it. That's my entry. And that's where I got in. Stop was below the candle that. So this candle here is basically engulfs the entire inverse. So I like to put my stop below there. Actually, originally my stop was down here. On this candle, I moved it up higher. Um, So yeah, that's essentially what happened. Price came up. I thought we would have at least gone break even, which wasn't the case. Price came down, wicked me out, and then we just saw this nice push up. Now, I don't know if I'm done for the day. I definitely think there's now what I'm seeing here is, we're building more liquidity in this area. It would be nice if we come down and then look to go higher again. That would be pretty interesting. What I'm seeing immediately though is you have equals here. Yeah, this inverse might close below and then go. But yeah, that's going to be trade recap. So obviously this is a loss for the day. Uh, we'll see if there's anything else about half hour. But as of right now, yeah, that's going to be the loss for the day.